In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a rule for automation. First of all, we have a request in approval check. We want to make sure that when we move it from approval check to finalized, that the version status also changes to approve. So first of all, navigate to the system settings, to the rules, and then go to add a new rule, giving a clear and descriptive name of what you want to happen. Select the event, set the condition, and select the desired result. When it's saved correctly, a blue ribbon will appear at the top of the screen. Navigate back to the dashboard. I'm going to reload the site just to allow the rule to be activated. Navigate to the project itself, and you can see that the current version status for this is for review, and the workflow stage is approval check. Next, you move the project onto the finalized stage. And if you click back to the versions, you'll see the status automatically change to approved as per the rule we just created. Cheers and have a good day.